Hey, welcome back to 2-Minute How-To. Real quick, I'm going to show you how to cut the bottom of a door off like the one right here behind me. Let's get to the video. On the door I have to cut off right now, I need to take off a 1/2 inch off the bottom to allow it to fit right and to give me a little bit of airflow underneath. These are all the tools that you're going to need. I have a T-square, I have painter's tape, a knife, and a tape measure. The first thing I'm going to do is mark my 1/2 inch. Once I get that marked, I'll get my T-square and draw a line. After I draw a line, I'm going to get this utility knife and I'm going to score down that line. Okay, so very important, you want to score this door on both sides at the 1/2 inch mark to keep it from chipping, okay? Okay, once I do that, I'm going to get the blue painter's tape and I'm going to run it down the edge right on the top side of my score line. This is also going to help the paint not to chip. It's just going to make your job a lot easier. Keep this door from getting messed up. Okay, once I get the tape on there, I'm going to flip the door over. I'm going to score the other side and I'm going to put the blue tape on there, and then I'm going to be ready to cut the door. Okay, I've got both sides ready to cut. I'm going to use a circular saw and we're ready to go. And there you have it, easy as that. Okay, all we gotta do now is just put it right back on the hinges and we're ready to go. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next video.